Hey up everyone, hope you're all alright and welcome back to Zante. Now today's video we're in Zante. Well, we're in Zakynthos actually, the main town here in Zante. This wasn't planned, so I have no idea what's here. So we're just going to have a wander and see what we can see. I'd love you to come with me. So if you want to come, let's go. So we're just on the port here at Zakynthos. And I have found one straight away. We have a church. What a lovely church it is. I think it's open. Oh, that fella is. So you can see the church. I'll put the name below because I can't speak Greek. And I'm not even going to attempt it, but that is lovely, that. Right, we're not going in because you can't film. So, kind of pointless, isn't it? Because if I can't show you, what's the point? Yeah, finally we've got some proper Greek looking buildings. Of course, this is the capital of Zakynthos, or Zante. And while we're here, I may get something to eat. I don't know yet. See what there is, shall we? Because we've been a capital, I'm tight, and this will be expensive. And I'm on a budget. Some lovely little traditional Greek tavernas. They're cute. Yeah, they're all strewn all over here. Taverna Nostimon. Right, when there's no prices on menu, you don't go in. Top tip from Tony, that. And they're there again, them flowers. The purple ones. They're everywhere in Greece. A traditional building. And talking of traditional, does that say Greece to you? Oh, look at that. What a beautiful building. Bikes, anybody? It's like being in Naples. There's a lot of bikes. Yeah, it's just full of these little streets. So oldie worldy. It's like there's all shops on this street. Some kind of do going on here. The balloons are out. Your tattoos and your piercing shops. Some clothes shops. Yes, I think we've found the high street. And some shops, some more shops. There's loads of shops. Loads of different bags. Got shoe shop here. Got everything. We've got absolutely everything here in Zakynthos. That's in the tree. How weird. Wonder why there's that's in the tree. Do you know? Let me know in the comments if you do. So I've got another church here. It's got its flag on top. just noticed everybody goes up to the mural that's on the side of the church, and a lot of churches in Greece, and kiss it. They're very religious. Lovely little promenade, this, if you like shopping. And I don't like shopping, and I don't usually come to shops, but Karen's warned me I must do more shops for you. So here I am. It's big, this place, it goes on forever. Oh, that just spoils it. And we're still going, still these same buildings all the way up this street. It's a bit different now, we've got a red one. That stands out. Well, this is a little groovy bar that's we're coming up to. The old-fashioned lampshades. Look at that. It's good, that. Oh, what a lovely square this is. All bars and restaurants. Bet they ain't cheap though. I'll not be having my salad here. And I think I've seen another church. There's a lot of churches here, if it is one. Have a look. Well, that's actually a church as well, a Catholic one of St. Markos. But it's not that one I've seen. And that is a little church that I saw. With the big tower. Right, back to the square. They have security guards on churches here, which is a bit strange. I think you've got to pay to get in them. I think that's what it is. But I think that was St. Nicholas. It was a Greek, but I think it said Nikolai. And we have shops and shops and shops. Sorry, souvenirs. It's not tat anymore, it's souvenirs. It's a cool bar. And it opens up into another square with two massive buildings in it. Look at that. It's a lovely building, that. Very palatial. And we have some kind of statue. I'm not even going to try and read this, but it's got a pigeon on his head. That's all I can tell you. It's be a good place for a little festival and concerts, this. This square's massive. And it's got some seating. How big this is. It's huge. And we've got a really old building on the end. It's got to be a church, that, hasn't it? It's a little land train there as well, look, just going round. Back to the square, don't go on the grass. And we've got a lady statue here from 1821. Is she a mermaid? So as we cross the road from this square, we're on the harbour. And I'll tell you what, there's some lovely boats in here. What a view, eh? It's lovely that. Look at that ship. Look at that boat. Scan the QR code to buy it. They've not got a bad view, have they, from that hotel there? Hotel Strada Marina. Come on, what do we think? How much? They're just getting bigger and more expensive. Wow, I'll have that one. One here from Valletta. As you can see, as we walk down the front, we've got all the restaurants on the other side of the road. Yeah, and even better these, oh my god. My mistake. Wow. Mary there. These are mega yachts. And look at this one. Vive la vie. Ha. Stunning ship. Come on, let me know in the comments and below. How much is that boat? Yacht, sorry. Do apologise. Old Gold Rush ain't bad either, is she? Oh, Lady Eliza. Well, after the last ones we've just seen, these at Fiat 500s. I've got to say, it is a stunning setting. Or do you like your more traditional ones? It's even got a steering wheel on front, Lucy. If you haven't seen the Iron Napa video, go and watch it. You'll know what I mean then. Just notice where that boat's coming in there, there's two little lighthouses. And you can walk out to them. Oh, not now. Not now. It's an old one as well, isn't it? You can see the yellow ferry over there, which will probably go to another island or the Greek mainland. And more bars and restaurants. And now we get to the mini boats. So it looks like the further that way you go, the more expensive they get. And that's me back to the beginning. So I hope you've enjoyed our little wander around Zakynthos Town. It was unplanned, but it's been a lovely day. It's a lovely place. I wouldn't stay here, but it's for a day out, it is really lovely. The harbour, the town, really nice. Anyway, thanks so much for getting this far. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe down below. Don't forget the hype button, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.